We are in front of an interesting short Frankia model F-Line. It's just 6 meters 45 in long and 2 meters 30 wide. Seats 4, sleeps 2, but let's get inside and actually check this Frankia. Entering inside, we shall be always already seeing the drop-down bed, sleeps 2 people, and then this wide sitting area that can be for sure transformed in another sleeping area with 2 travel seats homologated so you can sleep 4. A vast amount of cabinets up there, and they are actually pretty deep. Also from this side we have an oven and the actual fridge, the large kitchen unit and 2 burner stoves. From this side we're entering the large bathroom with separate shower and actually the Tedford cassette toilet with the sink. This is actually a pretty large bathroom with additional storage on this side and also exiting the room from that side. We can actually check large compartment for all your belongings. Pretty nice build. And going outside to check again this Frankia if fully integrated motorhome.